Take a second and think about your favorite brand. If you were going to go out for a t-shirt or a pair of jeans, you immediately know what brand you are running to. And guess why? Because it fits well. And that is a technical designer's doing. Technical designers are incredibly important to the design process. Think of having an idea for a house. You're going to want that architect to make sure that it's a sturdy house. Technical designers are the garment architect or the garment engineer. So you would use a technical designer's knowledge to root design ideas into something that's realistic and be able to bring those ideas to physical garments that could sell on an open market. I started in the industry over 20 years ago. We did everything by hand. I kept hearing things about 3D prototyping. I'm always interested about what's going to push our industry forward. So just imagine if we're working together and creating a t-shirt. Before I even cut the fabric, that first fit I could do digitally and find all of the fit issues that could arise. Before we even cut something in fabric, we're eons ahead of where we would have been. It makes it much more cost-effective and more sustainable to do it that way as well. It's incredible because now we have the ability to take fabrics and scan its properties. It's amazing to be able to work with people all over the world in all different body shapes and sizes. When you're in a physical classroom, you're limited to the machines or the dress forms that the school has. That's where digital and these digital programs really take off, because I'm able to not only show my students how to fit on a size 10, for instance, we can also fit simultaneously on a 20 or a 22, where we start to see how the proportions are different from straight cutting to plus size cutting as the industry expands and changes. I do think that technical designers are going to be more coveted than ever because brands get competitive. And what's a competitive advantage is understanding your customer and understanding your fit. ASU FITM is incredibly unique, and we're incredibly unique because we've got our fingers on the pulse of this industry. Our faculty are still operating professionals in the industry. That's what makes our student different. They're being exposed to more and more quickly and more efficiently. When our student graduates and gets their first industry job, to me, they're eons ahead of a lot of those other applicants.